Excel keeps changing your numbers into dates? Here's how to stop it. First, select the cells. Right-click and choose Format Cells. Set the format to text. Click OK. Now type your numbers again. Excel will no longer convert them to dates. This works for things like part numbers, IDs, versions, or codes. If the problem already happened, use Undo, change the format to text, then paste the values again. That's it. Your numbers stay as numbers. Subscribe to Only Tips for more fast tech fixes. No fluff. One problem. One fix. Fast.